Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can watch events on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you don't want to miss any events on the Facebook, so you can simply check it out from the Messenger by using it. So you can simply do is click on menu at the bottom right corner, and then you will see this menu pop-ups over here. So you can see at the end of this page you will see Facebook events. When you click on that, this next page will pop ups over here of the events of Facebook. You will see bunch of options over here like create events, your events, or upcoming events over here suggested for you, or like a bunch of options over here to check it out more events, or like interested in that. You have to simply click on that and check it out. You don't want to use Facebook by using Messenger. It's super easy to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.